Welcome to Sembach Segway, helping you transition to our site location in Germany. There are many things here different than in the States, one of which is using telephones. For our emergency system here, just like in the States, we have a 3-digit number to dial. Whether you're on the installation or off, in an emergency situation, dial 112. If you want to dial a DSN number from a phone on base, you can do so by dialing directly. When dialing a commercial number, you do need to dial 99 first before any other numbers. That will allow you access off the base to an open line. So when you are actually dialing commercially, there are different variations. In Germany, we don't have a standard length of numbers in a telephone digit like we do in the States. Basically, it can be 5 digits or it can be 10 digits long. So it's important to make sure you have the accurate numbers and to understand what the numbers mean. The numbers, all telephone numbers, have a city prefix with the 0, or it starts with the 0, and the number. Now this becomes important depending on how you're dialing. When you are dialing another number in Germany, then what you will do is you will dial 99 and the city prefix with the 0 and the number. If you are to dial another country from Germany, you will dial 00, the country code, and the city prefix without the 0 and the number. If someone wants to reach you here in Germany while you're staying here and you want to give them your German number, what you need to tell them is they need to dial 01149, then the city prefix without the 0 and the number. So these are the different variations. It depends on if the phone you are dialing is another number in Germany, if it is in another country, somewhere around the world, and then if someone were to reach you here calling from the States, there's another way that they need to dial the number as well. Let's sum this all up with remembering that our emergency number is 112. Thank you for joining me for this Sembach Segway.